In this video, we're going to look at converging lenses. Converging lenses are convex lenses. They bulge out. And our two rules are in parallel out through the focal point, which we've seen before with converging mirrors. And then the second one is in through the center of the lens out straight through. This is a new rule. We have not used it before. So in parallel out through the focal point, line up your ruler so that the top of the object connects with it. And we want a line that goes from the object to the middle bisector axis of the lens. So that's the in parallel. And again, remember, we're parallel to this horizontal line. So in parallel. And now we go out through the focal point. So we're going to adjust our ruler so we connect the space where we left off with the ruler. So out through the focal point. In parallel, out through the focal point. All right. Second rule. Second rule is in through the center of the lens, straight through. So we want to go from the top of the object. The center of the lens is going to be where the horizontal axis and the dashed vertical axis meet each other. So this is the physical center of the lens. So connect the object with the center of the lens, and we just go straight through. And you look through a lens, so you're going to be over here on this side looking at things. You see these two rays and you trace them back, and we can see the point of intersection is right there. And so that's where our image forms. It's inverted. It's upside down. They cross below the axis. It is reduced. Our little image is way smaller than our object. And it's real. These light rays really do cross right there. So in parallel, out through the focal point, in through the center, straight through. Let's draw the second diagram. So same two rules, new picture. So in parallel, out through the focal point. Line up the ruler. In parallel, switch your ruler around, out through the focal point. In parallel, out through the focal point. Second rule, in through the center of the lens. Remember, the center of the lens is right here where the two axes intersect each other. In through the center of the lens, straight through. And remember, you're over here. You see these two rays, but you'll notice on your side, they're not going to cross each other. So your brain extends the light back in a straight line. So you're going to have to do that with your ruler. Only remember, because we're imagining that this is happening, we need to do it as a dashed line. So take a dashed line and come back with it. Do the same with the blue. Take a dashed line and come back. And you can see that they cross each other right here. Your brain takes these two rays, finds the point of intersection, which is right there. And so my image, it's right about here. Is right there. It is enlarged. This is way bigger than our little object. It is erect. They cross above the line. And it is virtual. There is no light actually there. Your brain is just imagining it.